Hello everyone, my name is Rakshita Vishwanath Giri. I am a third year computer science engineering student from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, roll number 346. Today we are going to learn about a very important and practical topic, letter writing, from chapter 3 of our subject employability and skill development. Now you might be thinking, why do we still need to learn letter writing when we mostly use emails or messages? But let me tell you something. Knowing how to write a proper letter is still a vital skill in both your personal and professional life. Whether you are applying for a job, writing to your college, or even a writing letter to your friend, clear written communication is a key. So, our first slide is nothing but about introduction to letter writing. Letter is nothing but the written communication used to share thoughts, information, or request. There are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. So, in next slide, we are going to see types of letters. First one is formal letter. It is for official or business purpose. They follow a strict format and tone. For example, it includes job applications, complaint letters, letters to the principal, and letters to the editor. While next one, informal letter, it is nothing but for personal communication written to friends, family, or someone close. The tone is friendly, casual, and emotional. So, the first thing you ask yourself before writing a letter is, am I writing this for an official purpose or personal one? Based on that, we can choose the type and format. So, in next slide, it is nothing but about the format of a formal letter. Let's understand the structure of formal letter step by step. So, first one is sender's address. Your address goes at the top. Next one is date. Leave a line and write the date. Next one is receiver's address, which is nothing but the address of a person or a authority you are writing to. And the subject, where we write a clearly state the purpose of letter in one line. And next one is salutation, where we can use dear sir or dear madam. And in body is nothing but the introduction of letter, where we can start it with the short introduction and then explain the main content clearly, and then finally write a conclusion or a request, then closing it using yours sincerely or yours faithfully, and then write your full name at the end with signature. This structure ensures professionalism and helps the reader understand your purpose very quickly. Then in next slide, we are going to learn format of an informal letter. It's much more relaxed and emotional one. So sender's address and date are the same as a formal letter, where salutation, here you can use dear and their name. Body, this is where you write your personal message. You can go with a friendly greeting, share your news or feelings, or we can also ask about the other person and end with an warm note, then closing it with yours lovingly, affectionately, best wishes, or take care, then signature. Then this format is easy to follow and perfect when writing to a friend or relative. And in next slide, we are going to do a quick comparison between formal and informal letters so you can remember them easily. First point is tone. Tone in formal letter is polite, professional, and in informal letter it's casual, friendly. Second one is purpose. Purpose of a formal letter is official communication, and In informal letter, it's personal sharing, while language in formal letter, we use a formal and no slang, where informal letter, it's informal. We can may use the slang too, and the examples are in formal letter, leave request, informal letter, holiday update to a friend, or letter to a friend about asking a trip. So whenever you are unsure, just think about this. Am I being formal or friendly? That will guide your tone and format. So in next slide, we are going to discuss about the tips for letter writing. Here are some. Keep content clear and to the point. Use proper grammar and punctuation. Follow the correct format and adjust the tone as per the letter type. So we can also say that we should always follow the correct format, be clear and to the point. We should avoid spelling and grammar mistakes, and keep the tone appropriate. While we shouldn't use SMS language like U, just alphabet U for U, or because as a BCOZ instead of because full word in formal letters. We should end politely and respectfully. Even if the letter is short, how you write it reflects your attitude and professionalism. So here is an example of a formal letter. As we can see, sender's address, then date, and then receiver's address to whom we are writing letter. So the subject is application for sick leave. As we mentioned the above in format of a formal letter, subject is clearly written, and it states the purpose of letter in one line. So as a salutation, we are using respected sir, madam, or madam. So here is the short introduction. I am Rohit Sharma, a student of TE ENTC, roll number 54. I am writing to inform you that I have been suffering from viral fever since yesterday, and my doctor has advised me to take complete rest for 3 days. Therefore, I kindly request you to grant me leave from 26th May to 28th May 2025. Date is mentioned here. I assure you that I will cover the missed lectures and assignment during this period. Thank you for your understanding and support. So as we can see here, uh, in this line, it's a main content very clearly, and the date is mentioned, the important points, and then at last conclusion, or we can say the request, and then closing it with yours faithfully and full name. So this is the professional structure we have used, and as we can notice, the letter is short but respectful and to the point. The subject line tells the purpose in one glance about the sick leave. So our next slide is about the informal letter. So as we can see here, sender's address and date, then direct Dear Akash as a salutation, then in body of the letter. So this is very friendly greeting, sharing news, feelings, and asking about other persons, and ending with warm notes. So closing with yours lovingly. It is all about the informal letter, and as you noticed how this one sounds more like a conversation. It's warm, emotional, and relaxed, just like a chat with friend. So, as a wrap up, we can say that letter writing is a core communication. You should understand the purpose of letter and choose the right tone and format and should follow the structure and etiquettes. So thank you for watching this video.